Last 6. Oh, really? Yes. Just a second. Just a second.
I'm so happy. Thank you, Nigerians, for your support, your love, your prayers.
Sorry.
As arranged, Senator Natasha Akpabio on the second charge before the Federal High Court, Abuja. The charge was read to her, she pleaded not guilty to the charge, and the team of lawyers led by Professor Taru removed the motion for her bail and pleaded with the court to grant her bail on self-recognition on the ground that she is a serving senator of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, still sitting. She was earlier granted bail by the Federal Capital Territory High Court on a similar charge filed by the federal government, and the prosecution did not oppose this application, and the court graciously granted Senator Natasha Akpabio bail on self-recognition. With regard to the fact that she is a serving senator of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. And the matter was adjourned to 22nd day of September 2025 for hearing of the charge.
But I'd like to ask the MG why they did not even bring a counter affidavit to even counter the bill application.
The reason is very simple. The offense is a bailable offense. She has enjoyed a similar magnanimity by the Court of Coordinate Jurisdiction, and granting bail is the discretionary power of the court. So whether you oppose or not, if the court is mindful of granting the defendant bail, the court will grant. If the court is convinced that the defendant will attend court session to face a trial, the court will, and that's exactly this court did this one. So it's not strange, rather it's in tune with the law.
All right, thank you very much, sir.
In the fact that they gave her bail on self-recognition, they also believe that the court should also
the Federal High Court.
The Federal High Court should also, be firm on the fact that its time is being wasted. You look at it, this is a case of federal intimidation being allowed to happen. The other day, literally almost similar case was filed at another thought that we add. And it goes to show that there is institutions that are allowing themselves to be used as tool of oppression. The one thing that we should worry all of us is the fact that the case that has to do with fighting for justice, for someone's justice, where injustice has happened, was postponed. But the ones where oppression is supposed to go on were allowed to happen. But as we see, it's what it's supposed to be. Let it be, giving her bail of separation, where I expect the court to really fight it out, and not only that, to tell us the federal government that we have so many things that are happening in the country, and it does not have the time, the resources to be wasted on the fact that there are two senators who have problems with each other. They're big enough to take care of themselves. There are lots of people on Nigerian masses who do not have anyone speaking for them. There are a lot of cases out there that people have been willing to appear before the court. They haven't appeared before. But we have certain people who are using their offices and certain institutions being willing to of oppression for this thing to happen. It's just a waste of the nation's time at a time when we should be focused on saving lives. People are dying all over the country, but we are here wasting the resources that we do not have to waste the court's time that they have a lot of cases that they're supposed to do. At the end of the day, I think the judiciary should wake up and no longer allow itself to be used by politicians who believe because they are in office, they can do whatever it is that they want to do.